So hello guys, welcome back to another video live. I mean actually. So yeah, today I think we are going to complete the Diogo the Explorer project. I am actually just coming downstairs and started the live. I have not prepared anything, but I guess I will not have to prepare anything for now because actually, firstly, obviously, we will have to make the things, the program. We will firstly make the program here. So let me find where is my RPI thing inside new video, I think. Yeah, RPI. So this has everything that we would need for today. So we are going to make the new thing, the main thing now here. Sorry. Yeah, main.py. Okay, wait, firstly we will have to create a folder called main. Inside that we will make main.py. Now firstly we would obviously need our of course the uh, this thing, test one dot no dot this one. Where did it go? Where did it go, bro? It should be right here. uh, where did it go? Just Pyre, no. Yeah, this one. So firstly we have, oh my god, the amount of things. Let me close these, man. But yeah, if you wonder what are some of the things that you have added, one of my normal session, I was actually making things here. So yeah, that's why. So firstly we will have to change the name to capture.jpg, right? So okay. Nah, bro. No, no. We will actually firstly create. No, by the way, if you are wondering why am I not creating module, so I can create a Gemini P for part, by the way, a .py file where I can keep the this create a function where I can do this, but I ain't doing that because for that I will have to transfer multiple files there, and as you know I'm very lazy. We can do that later when the thing has you know extended a lot, right? So yeah, for now I'm not doing that. So here we are outputting the text here, right? So here capture.jpg we can if we see here it is coming in jpg, so we will have to make it jpg too, and we will have to import wget too, so that the code that we wrote some days before, where did it go? 32 cam. So we can do this 30 wget dot download this thing. Where will we do that? Right around here. So now we will have a file called capture.jpg in our directory, which will be passed on to this image underscore 2 dot underscore base 64, which will encode it and send it to the API, and we will get the output here. Very nice. So now here we will actually give him the prompt, which I will create another variable for because I'm not that untidy also. Prompt equals to like. Good job. So now we will give do our prompt engineering later, but for now we will actually have to copy paste another code. But yeah, now that I'm thinking about this, right? Hmm. We can make this into a function. So instead of printing this, if we return this, return, and go above here. They do here def gem here. Yeah, so now I think this will be better. Hmm. So here we can take PRM and we can take image, right? So here we can print PRM, sorry, print gem equals to prompt and prompt only, right? Prompt and image underscore b64. So now here we can do image and we can do here PRM. Really nice. So now one thing that we will also do is we will keep appending this to an array. Hmm. Okay. So we will firstly copy paste the servo code that we have made. Ignore those. Oh, this one I was working with YouTube. This one I was working with this will just I have written ignore because this will this I just created randomly, but VCREC this can be used in this project. But yeah, as I was saying, we will actually for now copy paste this, right? Now we will do these stuff maybe around here, and this stuff actually we will also do that around here, and this stuff we will just copy this. So now prompt engineering we will also do some minute later, because here starting angle will be 0 degree I am guessing. So angle equals to, no, what if the AI wants to go to the left first? So 0 to 80 is the range. Let's start it with angle 90. We will also pass on to that data, um, angle data in the prompt. So now we will do again another thing. So we will also tell the AI, sorry, okay, so this will be obviously a bit hard now that I'm realizing it. We will not, you know what, let's just do like this for now, to here hashtag. So oh my god, the code is already how much long? 65 lines. Okay. So we are downloading it, right? I'm just going to check that. Of course we are. Capture the JPG, we are doing everything till now rightly. So here we are telling while okay, we are also going to create another variable at the very first here, running equals to, firstly we will obviously give it true, running, while running, we were going to pass it to admire to admire the fact that it is at line 69. So guys, we are at line 69. Okay, enough messing around, let's start. So now what we are going to do here is, firstly we are going to give p equals to gem prompt. Man, man, this is stressful. Prompt equals and image b64. No, by the way, if you are wondering why am I telling, oh no, oh shit, bro. I just realized these lines of codes will be required at the end. Okay. Okay, good enough. By the way, if I keep bringing on this thing slash capture, will it save as the same file name, right? I hope so. Of course it will, by the way. Why am I thinking about that? So at the very initializing prompt will be there, and also the initializing image will be taken at the very first, and then the new prompts and images will keep on coming. So that's cool. Now we are going to say no, by the way, this will be, let's say no, oh, out, oh for out, let's just say out. I hope there are no more outs here. Let me check once. I do not trust myself. Okay, so now we will say out. No, actually, wait. Out dot append. Uh, this thing that I'm doing, is this right? I don't know. Bro, the thing is, we are not testing the servo part. You know what? We should actually test it without the servo part first. But that would take too much time. You know what? Screw it. We are going one for and all. Debugging in the PyZW can't be that hard, right? Right? Whatever. So, what what I was talking about was that actually now that I am realizing, um, we will have to first of all file equals to open um, data dot txt, and the open text mode will be a for append. So now this thing should be good. The data equals to file dot read. Good, good stuff here. um by the way, for that we can just do file dot write, right? Yeah, file dot write. Now if we go down here again, file equals to open. Yeah, it's opened now. And if here, if I do file dot um write, yeah, just the output here, right? Because yeah, so hmm, okay, yeah, now that I am realizing stuff after stuff, right? So I'm discovering the thing. So yeah, um so now that we have written multiple stuff, let's update our um thinking process. File dot write out. So the prompt engineering will be a bit hard here, as we can see, I can understand. You can't see. You can say, I don't know, but why am I talking shit? Let's get to the work. So if if write in uh, if write in, by the way, we will also print out, just because why not. If write in out, by the way, initializing angle was given there, right? What was the name? Angle. uh, Angle equals to, by the way, at the end also we are going to write angle uh, no, set angle, set angle, angle, angle plus equals to 10, because if we plus it will be I think if we plus this it will be moving to the right. Anyway, who cares, we will make our AI dyslexic or something if left in out. This I think works. At one second, I will just test it once. Test.py, we will delete this later. So a equals to 1 2 3, no, a banana. I don't know why did I write that. Print if sorry, print if banana, if apple in a. Inside this we can't write. I saw someone write there. If apple in a, print true. So if we run this, nothing should come out. Nothing did. That's good. If we now say if apple here, it should come true, of course. That's good. So we can delete this now. I actually have never tried out this thing, that's why I tried it before we do it. What happened? What do you mean? Why is this giving an error? Oh, acha, right, because yeah, that makes sense. Angle minus equals to 10. Okay, now that this is done, um, elif, actually there is another thing. Um, quit, uh, quit 1 2 3. um no, let's give it all 1 2 3, because if can want to say 1 2 3 left right, he can say that normally also, though we can tell him not to say that in the prompt, but it will sound unnatural. So we are going to do right 1 2 3 and tell him to say out right 1 2 3 if he wants to move right, and say left 1 2 3 if he wants to move left. So that makes sense. That's really good. So now here we can do running equals to false. Now this should work. Actually everything except our prompt part is done. Actually though. Hi, you are an adventurer. No, that's too dramatic. Hi, you have control. You can see the real world. The attached image is your vision. Your eye can be moved left if you include left 1 2 3 in your prompt. But if he outputs both of them, he will move, I think, right, because the that statement is first. And actually, uh, if it is both, I think both of them will be outputted, and he will not move anywhere. Left, if you include left 1 2 3, um, your eye will move left if you, yeah, you can move your, no, let's include this in the next line. You can move your eye rightward in the right direction if you say right 1 2 3. Okay, now if you don't want to move, don't include any of them. No, no, we want them to. If don't say both at the same time. Don't output both. If and only if you want to quit. Oh my, one second, guys. My elder sister is calling me. Oh, okay. Okay, guys, I am back. Yeah. So, don't output both at the same time if and only if you want. What? One second, bro. Why? To quit, say quit 1 2 3. Right? Yeah. Am I unmuted by the way? Yeah. So if and only if you want to quit, say quit 1 2 3. Bro, oh, I am pressing that accidentally. And don't say quit 1 2 3 if you don't want to quit. You can't move your wait, each left 1 2 3 moves you -10 degree, right? And right 1 2 3 moves you +10 degree. You can only move between 10 and sorry 0 and 180, between 0 and 180. Don't try to move beyond that. Your current angle is wait, that's actually slightly worrying, because how will we update the angle? Oh shit, another problem. But this can be easily solved. Yeah. So another problem, as I was talking about, how will he know the updated angle? Hmm. Your Now I'm by the way deciding what next, uh, because apparently right, you and file, where did we do file, where did we do here, file dot write prompt. Okay, so that's a lot of code. Oh, sorry. U plus. Huh. So actually, oh, okay, I understand. U. Okay, one second. Let me open the door and I will come back. Okay, hello guys. So where was I? So yeah, problem. uh, these are your previous messages, because this will be written to the file, right, which he will read. um, Follow, uh, man, prompt engineering is hard. hmm Follow these, the first command, and actually we want to give some gap here, and we will actually also give some gap here also. um okay, current angle. Oh no, that has to be I hate my life so much, man. I hate my life so much. Whether we will soon reach 100, sorry, we will soon reach 100 lines, and we have reached it. Yay! I'm not happy. So, your current angle is angle, and new angle, the first command, and see what you said. And see what you said for context. Your new angles are given, are updated. Angle, your key what? Let me check it once. Current angle, current angle, angle. Okay, so this uh, should be the final code, I think. This should be the final code, right? Everything I think should work. If it doesn't work, we will change it again. It's not a big deal. So now comes to the physical part. The worst. Actually, I don't know what's worst. Everything is bad. It's 8:54, and as you guys, I don't know if you guys know or not, but I have to go upstairs at 9:20 around. So I better hurry up. So this is our trusty Pi, right? This is our ESP32 cam. Wait, let me take it out first. ESP32 cam, guys. Right. We will have to power everything, by the way. We are going to suffer a lot. Yeah, we are. That's the beauty of it. Why am I laughing? So, next. This is our servo mechanism that we built. Everything I think should work. Right. I will just have to check once what was the pin numbers and attach these. So yeah. Now, firstly we will have to test out this thing with the battery. So let me connect this. 5 volt and ground should be pretty easy. 5 volt is this one. Yeah, let me connect this. I have connected this and nothing's burning. That's a good sign. Now I will go to our website, right? 192.168.0.21, and of course it's not working because nothing works in the first try, guys. That's nothing to be afraid of. We will just connect it to our USB and see if it works then. For that we will obviously have to open the Arduino IDE to see the serial. Yeah, okay. So let's reset this. Yeah, that's the IP address only. I don't know why it didn't work then. Now it's working. Bro, I need one USB for the Pi, one USB for the servo, one USB for the ESP32 cam. Don't say it will be like that, because if it is like that, I will pass out, and that will not be good. You know what? Let's try first without the servo, because yeah. Now, guys, I am connecting the Pi. Let me touch metal first. Powered. Now, two of our things are running here. Yeah, the Pi has started, guys. If you like to look at my setup here, you could see that those, those these two masterpieces are running side by side. Now I won't show you guys in the under part, because we are not working with the servo. Probably this project wouldn't be finished in day one only, because today it will not finish, because as I told, I am in tight time. So while it boots up the Pi, let me drink some water. Now let me open this. What? Why isn't it connecting? That shouldn't have been the case. Ah, that's bad. Shit. Okay, maybe it's booting, because the thing is flashing as crazy. So maybe it's just booting. Let us give it some time. So yeah. While that, let me check for any flaws in my code, because that's, I think, good to do. Um, we will actually, I found not a flaw, just a small stuff. Let's print the angle too in the console. Yeah, that would be nice. So now this no, I have made a huge error. The angle would be before. I am not showing you this, guys. Let me show you. the angle, set angle stuff would be before we do the photo processing. Why is it still blinking, man? I'm genuinely worried. Bro, don't tell me I will have to connect to the HDMI again. That would be very bad, surely. Where is even my HDMI to VGA, bro? I've lost it, I think. Oh shit, this is bad. Bro, why does this happen to me? This will be a bad day in the office, I can guess it. Let me just reconnect. Let's close the Pi and then. Bro, this will be bad. Okay, it's blinking slowly now. It is not blinking anymore. Okay, it's blinking again. Now it's blinking rapidly again. Oh shit, this will be a bad day. This will be a bad day, bro. Man, shit, shit, bro. Okay, while that happens, let me find my this thing. HDMI to VGA because that will be necessary if we want to get this working. Where is that thing? Oh no, oh no. Why? 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 Just why? Okay, so I have come to a conclusion. What I will do is at this moment, I will take off my computer's at HDMI of the graphics card and then connect it to this mini HDMI to HDMI port. So yeah, I will be on the VC, but I will not show you guys my camera because I will have to climb my desk. Okay, there goes the HDMI of my computer. I don't know if you guys can hear me. I have got absolutely zero display support. So yeah, that will be bad if the stream suddenly stops or something. But yeah, okay, I have connected the mini HDMI to HDMI here, and then okay, I have connected the Pi, and let's see if anything comes on the display. Okay, okay, so good news, the Pi is working. I am seeing it asking for the login. Then I and the display has become stable. I don't know what was it on about, but I will not complain because it's working now, and that's all what matters. So I will connect the HDMI to my HDMI port in the graphics card again, and I will resume my work once again. Where is the HDMI port again? Here it is. Oh shit, man. Once again. Okay, so after trying to shove the HDMI port to the DP port, I am back. Hello guys, but as you guys can see, this has frozen, but I know how to work it out. Hello. So that was a long time, but according to me, I've also checked the IP that appears right there, and it should work now. Yes. Oh my god, that wasted a lot of time, but yeah, now it works. So let me enter the password. Man, that was risky. So let's clear this once. Now let me ls. So let me main touch main.py because this will be the main thing, I think. So nano main.py, right? So I've created this. Let's copy this whole thing, man. Bro, the moment this is what I have been dreaming of for a couple of days. What? No. Let me do it once again. I copied the whole thing, right? Why did it come? Okay, wrote 104 lines. I don't know why can't I see the whole thing here. Let me see if I can scroll upward. If I can do just Control A, Control. Oh right, MQ I think. No, no, no. Control M, no. You know what? Who even cares, right? Control X, no. So I'm going to nano main.py again. Oh, it was saved already. It's 104 lines, right? Yeah. So then exit this. Okay. So clear. Now, guys, it's the moment of truth. Let me check once here if this slash capture is working. Now, if we reload this, this should be my face. If we do this, yeah, it's updating, right? That's what we want. Now, the moment of truth is if we run Python here, Python, by the way, I am having to type it in one hand, Python main.py. By the way, I'm holding the PPI 32 cam in my other hand. So now, okay, right, that makes sense. Yeah, I guess I will just have to sudo apt install python dash wget. This should work. Yeah, this should work, right? No. Okay, let me find the command, guys. 1 second. Install wget module python linux. Let's see. They are just saying the pip ones, right? Apt. Yeah, yeah. No, no, no. Yeah, no. Huh? Huh. Okay. Because, guys, actually the thing is, pip doesn't work there. But still I will try one more thing. Because the network ain't showing me anything. I will just do python 3 dash wget. Let's see if this works or not. I think it's working, but yeah, I don't know anything for sure. Yeah, I mean it's installing something definitely. Yeah, python 3 dash wget, but I don't know if this is the wget that we are using or not. So now it's time for it to run the program again. Let me see if you can see the screen here. Yeah, you can. Let me do this python main.py. Now the moment of truth. Okay, what is he talking about? Data equals to file dot read, not readable. Okay, what? File dot read, not readable. Why? If we do ls here, right now, there should be data.txt, but why isn't it readable? Okay, let us test it here. Here, test2.py. Okay, test3 then. File equals to open data.txt, append. Oh, I get it. Append is only for that, right? That's why I think a plus should do it. File.read. Now this should do it. Let me see. If this works, it will be, I will be happy. Okay, so we will just have to go here, nano main.py, right? um Now here we will have to go here. No, not a, another plus. Save this thing, quit this thing, hold the py30 esp32 cam, python main.py. Let's see. We are w getting there. We are w getting again. Okay, so it plus, right? Okay. Okay, that works. That actually works. That works. But why did it stop? It was working wonderfully. Okay, nice. So we are getting output there. That's a good thing, obviously. But we didn't see any quit 1 to 3. Your current angle 90. Your current angle 90. Why did it output that? See, so okay. I understand my current angle is 90 degrees. Right 1 2 3. What? Hmm. Okay, so one thing that we will do firstly is we will um, go here, and before we print out we will do print, so that there is a line of gap. Now, oh my god, by the way it's 9:12. We are definitely not doing the servo thing, because I just realized we will also have to, attach the thing. So yeah, I know how will I attach it, but still it will take a long time. So yeah, I will actually do it off camera and then come back. And but as you guys know, it's 20th July and my exam starts from 1st August, so I can't upload videos before my exams get ended. It will go until 13th August, so I will probably make progress back again on 13th August. But till that time, I will have to. You know what? I will go to eat at 9:30. Let's do quality work till that time and fix some bugs here, because obviously this ain't working. Python main.py. Let's run it again. Okay. Right 1 2 3. Bro, is he just outputting right 1 2 3? Oh, I just realized something, guys. Okay, so I realized something. First of all, I want to view nanotext.py. What's going on here? Huh? Oh, there is no. What? Oh, so once I see these, I realize something. Right. first of all, let me see, do one thing. Let's remove these stuff. They are, as I was saying at that time, they actually save like that. Now if I ls this, yeah. So, nano data.txt, data.txt. Uh, so, I understand some bugs that are there, and I will fix them. By the way, can't I just paste, copy? One second, one second. Controller X, no. rm data.txt. We are just going to do that. Rm data.txt. Yeah. We are also going to do rm main.py, touch main.py. Yeah, cleared. ls cleared. Good. Now we are going to make some changes to our prompt. Also describe what you see along with the code. Left 1 2 3, right 1 2 3, or quit 1 2 3. Good. Now another thing, I don't know what other arguments does wget.download take. I will have to see that. Oh no, what am I doing? Out. Here I think we can give capture.jpg. Right? Capture.jpg. Now if we copy this code, go here, nano main.py. Sorry. No, yeah, 106 lines. Now ls. Now finally, if we do here python, sorry, we can just do this main.py. Okay, finally let's see what he has. Such a disappointment. By the way, why the hell are we? Oh, right. Sorry. Okay. Now let's see. Now this should work. Okay. Right 1 2 3. Let's move it right. I will move it to the right again. What? He is seeing the same image more again and again. So let's see why is that. Yeah, as I guessed, for some reason it is not overwriting it as I want it to. Why? Okay. Now I know what to do to fix this code. Right. As it is not overwriting it, what we will do is we will remove the previous capture.jpg. How do I do that? Using the OS module. How do I do it inside the OS module? I don't know. I will have to check that. Frankly, if I tell you, let me see that. How do I do that? So, how to delete file in Python? Oh my god, man. os.remove as I. Huh? os.remove. Good. Let's do os.remove. Man, this is too freaking stressful. Bro, how this is, I told you na, one of the biggest projects. Man, I am capture.jpg, right? Capture.jpg. Okay, now finally, finally this should work. ls rm data.txt rm main.py touch main.py. By the way, we can also do os.remove data.txt because so that we don't have to do it manually. Or we can just do w mode inside of append. But yeah, let me just do nano main.py. Oh shit, sorry. Yeah, huh? 108 lines. Good. Let's do python main.py. Hold the 32 cam. Go to putty. Run this. Okay. Okay, so it's working. Basically, it's working. Now, the only thing that I need to add here that I noticed, right? Some time to wait, right? So let's add that time dot sleep around 1.5 seconds so that the servo can actually move there, or we can add it to 1 second. So if I get, oh my god, I'm too tired, guys. I'm too tired. Data.txt rm main.py touch main.py nano main.py paste this, save. Good. Now I'm thinking about doing this. Wait, firstly now I want to test out one thing again. If I connect it here again, right, the battery with the 32 cam, will it work? I don't know why my accent is being like this. I'm just really tired, sorry. I have connected it. Now I will wait for some time to see if it works. Let's see. Oh, it does. That's nice. Now we can connect it, connect the servo mechanism. But before that, we will have to connect that thing. Pinout. See the pinout and connect the pins accordingly. So the GND, right? SD card side. In the SD card side, the 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's good. Now we will have to get to the 12th one, which is here. Okay, this shouldn't be too hard. 1, 2, 3. How many gap is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I think I have connected it. Okay, so I think I've connected it successfully. Now, the moment of truth. I am obviously not connected this thing yet, the ESP32 cam, right, to the servo motor, but if the servo works here, let me show you guys here the setup, right, not this one. Yeah, actually wait, why am I even doing this? I know how to set this up like this. No, not like how did I set it up last time? It was a really good camera setup. One second, let me try to replicate it. You know what, I will just hold it, man, leave it, I am too tired. If we pull the pies a bit closer here. Oh, I forgot to connect the servo mechanism here. Okay, I have connected the servo mechanism to the USB. Let me. So, this is the setup. Now, if we python main.py, let's see what happens. Oh yes, it moved. It moved, guys. Okay, I don't even care anymore. It moved. That's all it matters. rmdata.txt. Ah man. So basically, the program is done. I'm happy, guys. Don't worry. I'm happy. What? Huh? Uh, uh, you know what? I don't even care why is there two captures, right? There is not more than two, right? That's all what matters. So yeah, I'm going to run it for some time. After that, I will see. Oh my god! After that, I will see how many things are there. It moved a bit. Either if you wonder why it's upside down, because okay. So okay. By the way, why is it your current angle 100 here? What? Why? No, I just want to see what happens after it gets after 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 it reaches 180. No, your current angle is not 90 degrees, man. 170. Okay, so yeah, now it left. Now where it will go? Yeah, so yeah, it's working. It's basically working. rmdata.txt, right? ls. Okay. So I don't know why is there capture 1, capture 2.py. I guess after I increase the delay it will work. Maybe. I don't know. So let's shut it down, man. Sudo shutdown, sorry. Okay. So enough work for today, I guess. We did many things, right? So this is the last live stream. After this, I will assemble the whole project. and show you the final product in an YouTube video, not a live. I will not live stream for a long time after this, don't worry, I am too tired. So bye guys, it had been an amazing journey. The live stream is I think my longest live stream till that. um so yeah, bye guys, it's been a pleasure to make this wonderful project, and today I get to complete it is, and it's 9:30 my dinner time. So yeah, man, that was a good session. But bye guys, good night, bye. Diogo the Explorer is ready.